So we have been interviewing Maximus, who is the CEO of PopOut. And in the first part of the interview, we've been talking about Ghana's tech industry. And currently, we are going to talk about TopAppsAwards. Maximus organized the first awards ceremony for the apps in Ghana, where the apps industry, the apps were nominated, and then people were awarded for the work that they've done. Right. So in 2013, Maximus is also going to organize the event, and so we want to find out from him, what is TopAppsAwards?
TopAppsAward is just my small dream of initiative to push the new frontier of app development in Ghana. So over the years, we organized what we call online. So we did online 2011, we did online 2012. And then the online had a segment called Top Apps. So people who have developed creative and innovative apps were made to present their apps, the problems their apps supposed to solve and all that, and how they're going to develop it. So we realized, based on the change in the industry and apps being the new frontier in data creation and consumption, we decided to pull it out of the online as a standalone program, so you can come and exhibit your apps and of course get an award for the creative ones. So that's the whole idea of the top apps.
Okay. So did you select the apps yourselves and then the companies too as well, or you invited people to submit their works?
Yes, we called for nominations. So they were nominated. So all the people who were nominated, they were ranked and they won the awards. We also know a couple of other people who they've developed apps, so we added them to the whole thing.
Okay. And are we also going to see TopAppsAwards 2013?
Yeah, we want to do that. Even though last year we didn't get sponsorship, we got partnership for media houses, and we were able to put it together, and it was very good. We had only about 1 hour delay because the computation, the judges had to be there for the computation to be done, and that delayed the program for almost 1 hour. And we are sorry for that, but this year we're going to use technology for everything so that we can compute the figures. The first one, what we did was the judges. We had 70% from the judges and 30% from public voting. So we did that mostly on social media, so on Twitter and Facebook, people voted for the apps. So that's what happened. So the final day was the day we did the computation for all the awards, so nobody can tell you who won which category. So that's what happened, and it was well attended by the industry practitioners and then some of the institutions, and we awarded some individuals too for their contribution in the app development industry.
So how different is this year's from last year?
This year we want to be able to give more awards like cash, more media exposure, and push the whole idea of app development as a new frontier, so that the telecom industries, the businesses, government, and all those interested can be part and parcel of this growing, profitable segment of the telecommunication industry.
All right. Okay. So last year, there is something that we realized. The awards were distributed. Actually, it was not intentional, I guess.
Yeah.
But then most guys that won were from MEST. So is it that MEST is doing well by bringing guys into the system, or you think that?
Yeah, that's easy. Like I said in the previous interview,
Yes.
Such deliberate actions to hone the potentials of people to develop ideas into technological solutions. MEST has been able to do that, and they've churned out very brilliant apps. Okay, most of the winners, Dropify is from MEST, but as Brooks, we had a couple of others from MEST, but we had close to like 5 or 4 who are not MEST. Yeah, so it's not fully MEST, but if you are not nominated, you will not win. And the nomination was not just by third party, you can even nominate yourself. So if you didn't nominate yourself and you didn't win anything, it wasn't that we went to MEST and picked all their students and nominated them and awarded them. Yes, so that's the whole idea, and they have proved it. Like they've been able to develop very creative and innovative apps. Yes.
Okay, so can you tell us about this year's? When is it going to happen?
Letting the cat out of the bag. Yeah. In fact, we were planning to launch it in the second quarter, so that we'll be able to call for nominations and do some voting. And this year we want to do something new, like training them how to do branding, because that was one of the key problems some of them had. That was the problem, not the key problem. That was the problem they had, how to brand or develop the idea very well, give it that visual appeal that can make the thing very appealing to the marketers or those who want to buy. So we'll be doing some workshops for app developers too as well.
So that will be before the awards?
When we call for the nomination, we'll be part of it, and we'll do the main event, the exhibition awards too as well.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We'll wait for the lunch, and we hope you are going to invite us to be there.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Okay.
All right.